Hey everyone, this is Miss Dot again, and we are still talking about graphs. That is our main focus this week in math. And so we're going to take a look at another graph and see what it is all about. Okay, so right here where it says goldfish names, it's already given us the answers here. But we're going to take a look at how exactly they found or came up with these answers, okay? So the first thing I should do when I look at this graph is take a look here at the top where it says goldfish names. This is our title. So this is what the whole graph is about. The whole graph is going to be about these different goldfish names. Right now, that's all we know about it. So next, we're going to look at our different axes. So our axis right here is names. And our x-axis right here is telling us the number of votes, okay? So it's telling us the number of votes there were for each name. So there must have been some kind of competition to try to figure out what name would be the best name for a goldfish. So let's look. It has 4 different names we have listed. So we want to make sure we are using our different strategies here, okay? So first we started with these. We looked at the title, the y-axis, the x-axis, and all the labels on the graph. And we looked for a key, but there wasn't one. So we went through all of these things. So let's look at the first name. It's Flash. And we want to look and see how much this is right here. So we're going to go to the end and follow this line all the way down until we get to the 5 right here. So we know that there were 5 votes for Flash, just like it said over here. We'll check it off. So let's go to Goldie and let's look and see how much is in this bar. So let's find the end all the way down, and here's a 3. So there were 3 votes for Goldie. So let's check that one off. So then here we are at Rocky. We're going to follow the graph. And this is where it ends. Let's follow the line down. And there were 6 votes for Rocky. So we've come to our very last name. The last name is Bubbles. I really like that one. I probably would have voted on it. So we're going to follow it down to the end of it. And it stops at 8. There were 8 votes for Bubbles. So those were both right. So Bubbles won. There were the most votes for Bubbles. I really like that name, guys. All right. So that's how we take a look at that graph. So let's take a look at another one. Oh, let me erase this stuff right here so we can move down to our next graph. Oop. Okay. All right, guys. So I am going to look at this graph with you. So, hey, there is something different about this graph. There's no bars. So this is not a bar graph like the other graphs we've been looking at so far. This graph is a pictograph or picture graph. Okay, so it's using these little symbols or pictures to tell us about what it's measuring. Okay, and look, here at the bottom, we see a key. So it says that each one of these smiley faces is one student. So see, I said some things may have a key and some won't. This is important, okay? That key down there tells us a lot of really good information and how to read that graph. Because if we didn't have that, I don't know that one smiley face equals one student. It could equal a dog or cows or bugs. Who knows? and I wouldn't know what was going on. So it's really important that we're looking at that key. So let's look at this graph. It talks about favorite snacks. Guys, my dogs love snacks. So if I wouldn't have read the key, I would have probably thought they were talking about what kind of snacks my dogs love. So don't forget that. So let's see about these different kinds of snacks. We're going to talk about popcorn, a fruit cup, yogurt and cheese, and crackers. All right. So let's count the smiley faces for popcorn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 students voted that their favorite snack was popcorn. Let's go to the next one. Fruit cup. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 students' favorite snack was a fruit cup. Yogurt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There were 7 students whose favorite snack was yogurt. So let's go to our last one, cheese and crackers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 students' favorite snack was cheese and crackers. So cheese and crackers, they were the big winner there. In the fruit cup, they were the big loser. They only had 4 votes. I don't know, guys. I probably would have voted for popcorn. What would you have voted for? So I have one more graph to share with y'all. So let me erase all of this. And we will go to the next one. All right, guys. So this graph is different from any of the other graphs we've seen, okay? So these right here are tick marks, okay? So we see down here that says that our key for this, we're going to create this graph ourselves, that this little square brick is a ticket, and one of them equals 1 ticket. And so here, the title, it says, tickets we have, just like the title on the other graph that we're doing. Okay, so this here is a tick graph, okay? And we are going to make a pictograph. Okay, so we are going to have to read how many tick lines there are under each person's name and then draw those tickets into our pictograph, okay? So let's start with these. Each of these little lines is 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 4. Let's put a 4 there. And we are going to draw the tickets over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go to the next one. Steve. So I'm going to use a different color so y'all can see a little better. So Steve, he only had 2 little tick marks. He has 2. So we're going to draw 2 tickets right here. All right. So let's go to our next person, Tom. Oh, I see something a little different about Tom. So I'm going to teach y'all something. When we draw tick marks, they look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. But when we get to 5, we kind of bundle them all together. We want to keep them together, those tick marks. So we draw a line from the top of the first line to the bottom of the last line. Kind of like when we have 10 ones, we bundle them up and move them next door. Well, these guys want to stay together. Okay, they're a little family of 5. So when we get to 4, we draw the 5th tick mark across from the first tick to the last tick to make 5. So we can see right here, Tom had 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9. So Tom had 9 tickets. Oh my goodness. Let's draw 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right. Let's go to our very last one, which is Lisa. Oh, we see there's a family of 5 right here. Let's circle it. We know that's 5. And one tick mark by itself, 6. So Lisa had 6 tickets. So let's draw them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, guys. So that's all about tick marks and all about pictographs and the bar graphs and how we can make pictographs out of tick mark graphs. If y'all have any questions, just give me a call. I hope y'all have a great week. Bye. It was great learning with you.